learn how to make buttercream frosting that's perfect for decorating your cakes and cupcakes. Start by adding butter and shortening to the bowl of a stand mixer or a large mixing bowl. Cream together using the paddle attachment or beater attachments if you're using a hand mixer. Make sure to scrape the sides of the bowl. I love watching the butter and shortening come together and become light and fluffy. It's like magic. Look at that butter and shortening. So perfect. Next, you're gonna add vanilla extract or any flavoring you'd like and mix some more. Add 4 cups of confectioner sugar, 1 cup at a time, and mix. But make sure to mix on low or you'll end up with confectioner sugar all over the kitchen. I know from experience. There is a lot of mixing going on here. So much sugar. Be sure to scrape the sides of the bowl in between. Add milk. You can add between 3 and 4 tablespoons depending on the desired consistency. Add less if you want a thicker consistency and more if you'd like it to be a little thinner. Look how smooth and perfect that buttercream is. And now it's time to decorate. Perfect buttercream swirls all day long.